In today's tutorial, I'm excited to share with you a very special and complex 3D origami project, a fantasy mushroom house. This model will have several tutorials, and I'm not sure yet how many parts there will be because it is not finished yet. I would also like to give a special thank you to a long-time supporter of my channel who sponsored this project. They choose to remain anonymous, but their support made this creation possible, and I'm truly grateful for that. This is the rectangular of paper for large pieces. We obtained 32 rectangular like this from an A4 piece of paper. I use normal printer paper, 80 grams per square meter. And the dimension are 5.4 by 3.6 centimeters. And now I will make a very quickly a 3D origami piece. If you are a beginner and you do not know how to make these 3D origami pieces, please look in the description of the video. You will find there a very good tutorial for the beginners. How to cut 3D origami paper, how to make these pieces, and other very good tips for beginners. And now this is the piece, and you can see there is a huge difference between these two. And now I will use 5-6 pieces connected together in a row, put these two edges in the pockets, push, and then with my finger or maybe with a round pen I give a very nice round shape. I recommend you all to learn to make pieces like this. It is very easy to work with them and the model will look very beautiful. Now I show you how I glue. I use a paper solid stick glue. I put some glue inside the pockets and then I connect with other pieces like this. And we start with the dark brown pieces and we connect pieces like this. We go with 3 rows and we put 10 pieces in the first row, 9 pieces in the second, and 8 pieces in the third, all dark brown rows like this. And here I will put an inverted light brown, but you can use dark brown. I use light brown because I have a lot of these color pieces and I have very few dark brown, and I will put like this. These are normal pieces. Normal pieces means that the round part of the piece is outside, and inverted pieces is like this. You turn the piece like this and push here in 2 pockets. You can see the round part is inside. And we go with these 3 rows like this. And I will repeat 10 pieces in the first normal row, 9 pieces in the second, and 8 pieces in the third, all dark brown rows, and 9 pieces here in the inverted row. Let's see. Now we have 10 pieces in the first row here, and put another 2 inverted like this. and these are completed. I will repeat, 9 inverted pieces here, 10, 9 and then 8 normal dark brown rows. We will need 2 parts like this. Now we glue these 2 parts together, and we will put one dark brown piece here in the second row, and then 2 pieces above in the third row. And here we put one inverted light brown, and then we close the circle and we put again 1 piece in the second row and 2, I already put glue inside these pieces, and 2 in the third row like this, and then we put the last inverted piece here. I will show you how I glue this. I put some glue like this and then put here in the last 2 pockets. We push a little bit and we have a very nice 3D origami closed base. 20 pieces in each row, 3 normal rows and 1 inverted. Now we have 20 pieces in a row and we increase to 30. We increase with 10 pieces. And we increase in this way. We put 1 piece between 2 pieces from the previous row. Sorry. And then we put 2 pieces above. Then we put 1 normal piece and increase again in the same way. One normal and then increase again. One normal and increase. Repeat this until you complete the entire row. Finish the row. Now we have 30 pieces in the last 2 rows. I finish all of this, and next we put 1 normal dark brown, then we put 3 inverted light brown like this. I will repeat, inverted means that the round part of the piece is on the other side here. Then we put 1 normal dark brown. This will be the door of our little house, and then the rest of the row I will complete with inverted cream pieces like this. Complete the entire row with inverted cream pieces. Next we put 4 inverted light brown pieces here, and then the rest of the row we put inverted cream pieces like this. Finish the row. Next we put 1 dark brown here. We push very well to cover the inverted row. Then we put 3 inverted light brown, and here again we put 1 dark brown like this. And then the rest of the row we complete with cream pieces, inverted cream pieces like this. Finish the row. Next we put 4 inverted light brown pieces here, and then the rest of the row we complete with inverted cream pieces. Finish the row with inverted cream pieces. Next we put one normal dark brown here, like this. Then we put 3 inverted light brown. Now we put another normal dark brown, and then the rest of the row we complete with cream inverted pieces, like this. Finish the row. Next we put 4 inverted light brown pieces, like this, and then the rest of the row we complete with inverted cream pieces, like this. Complete the entire row. Now we put one normal dark brown piece here, then 3 inverted light brown. Now we put again one normal dark brown, and then the rest of the row we complete with inverted cream pieces. Finish the entire row. Next we put one inverted light brown, one normal black, then 2 inverted light brown. This will be the handle of the door. And next we complete the rest of the row with inverted cream pieces. Finish the row. Next we put one normal dark brown piece here, then we put 3 inverted light brown pieces, like this. Then we put one normal dark brown again here. Then we put 2 inverted cream pieces, and now we put 4 normal dark brown. This here will be the first window. We put 4 normal dark brown pieces like this, and now on the other side of the door we put 3 inverted cream pieces, and then we put again 4 normal dark brown pieces. Here will be the second window, and then the rest of the row we complete with inverted cream pieces like this. Do not forget to glue all these pieces. Next, we start from here, from this window, and we put 3 inverted yellow pieces here, like this. Then we put 3 inverted cream pieces. Next, we put 4 inverted light brown. Then we put 4 inverted cream pieces. Then we put 3 inverted yellow pieces, again here where we have a window. And then the rest of the row we complete with inverted cream pieces. Finish the entire row. I finished the row, and now we start from this window here, and we put one normal dark brown like this, then 2 inverted yellow, 1 normal dark brown, then we put 3 inverted cream pieces. Now here at the door we put again 1 normal dark brown, then 3 inverted light brown pieces, 1 normal dark brown, 2 inverted cream pieces, 1 normal dark brown, 2 inverted yellow pieces, 1 dark brown, normal dark brown, and then here between the windows we complete with inverted cream pieces like this. Finish the row.